Alright guys, today we're going to be making some slime. Don't worry about my face because I just got a bump right there. So what we're going to be doing is using food coloring, clear and white glue, beads, mixing bowl and spoon, and game. Yeah. Woo. Okay, so what I tried to do was the body wash and salt slime, but it didn't work out. Stop being nasty. I don't know what type of germs been on it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the white one this time. So I don't know. Put some white one in there. How do you make white? So no candy, no. Okay, so we're gonna do blue. Go put some blue in there. Go add all the colors in there and see what happens.
That was on my phone,
right here.
Oh, okay. Oh, you good. But I do that. I need to charge it. You can still play with it, but I just need to charge it.
Okay, we're doing a video on YouTube. Slime video.
I am.
So
what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to
oh, that's why I should have did looked at the color first. Looks like I'm bleeding, guys. I would lick it, but not edible.
Is that not?
What? Ew, it's an ugly color.
It is good color, not ugly color.
Ew, this is an ugly color.
It's
like a brownish, like, it looks gray into there, but it's like a brownish, purple. Something like that. So now I'm going to pour again in there. So I'm not finished mixing it up, the color, but it's okay, because it be mixed up. So now it's like a purple color. Hand me the game. No.
Game.
So the first one I made, I only put the red one in. This one. Because at first I thought it was going to turn out pink. But then when it came out, it turned out red.
Are you going and get in the bed?
And it sticks too.
I put that color in.
I put all the colors in there.
I say
What we should have did instead of the slime trimmers, which I really do like slime, but I usually don't play with slime like that no more. Like, I used to play with slime all the time. Yeah, move that one. But now, I don't play with slime like that.
the
Ew. Let's do a table.
put in.
Let's do a table. Ew. I wonder what color it's gonna make if we mix the red one and this one, which I'm not gonna try because
Put this inside there.
we could make another one. But yeah, don't come up here messing up stuff.
Water color. Like that.
Don't go in my room messing up that either, because I would have got to clean it up. You laughing now? Yeah. Yeah, all you want.
Now I'm bleeding.
He's bleeding. That's fine. No, that's just the paint, y'all. Show him. Don't lick that. See, nasty. So this one is more like, I want to say it's more.
I like this one.
Like, I like this one. It's just the only thing about it moves. I don't like red. Red is not my color. I'm crying like a baby. They mixed up. I gotta get this back. Stop.
Take a little bit and put it down.
No.
Yeah.
It's not even ready yet. It's still like wettish.
Like play with it.
So I can get on wet. That didn't sound real bad.
Press it down. Now what I do is I make little holes, like spiny little.
Go get the phone, Gail. What's that? Give her mommy phone. Come on, Gail.
It did.
5 seconds to decorate it.
Get this phone.
I have one ready for you.
You should already. Your papa got you in it already, Gail.
They're so inexpensive. So much fun, so easy. I wish I could eat the pie.
Gail, huh? Okay, so I forgot to say this, but so this is my first video. I think this is my first video, unless my brother's made a video. So I want y'all to subscribe to this video. I want y'all to hit that thumbs up button, and I want you to hit that bell. Move your hands, boy. And then I'm going to do some shout outs too when I get more videos. I'm going to be doing shout outs. And then I'm going to be doing more videos. Probably going to be, they're going to be other type of videos like slime videos. They're going to be challenges, talkie challenges. You're going to be doing, we're going to have the, challenge who can eat the most, whatever it is. I can't eat no bubbles. These tables are small.
Isn't it a bubble like that?
Okay, so I think I want to say I put a little too much gain in this one. Because this one is like a little wet. And I think I'm going to keep playing with this until... Okay, come on so you can play with the slime. Because my other brother sleeps, so you might as well want to play with it now because they're going to try to take it. Yeah, you. Our other brother sleeps. You better play with it. Come on. Look at you. Got it stuck to your hands and just touched it. We'll give you this one, but I'm trying to get this one like it is. See? Because you're leaving soap stains on the table. The rest of our brothers are asleep. Mari J and... I got it on my... That's not funny. It's gonna be funny when you get a whooping. Yeah. I'm telling you, you did it. I'm sorry, I told him that. Okay, so what? I'm trying to get this stuck to this one. I already got it stuck to my pants. That's why I need to get it from like this.
So let's take a look inside. Just a little bit.
Okay. So now it's time to add these big. So this is probably getting from being like that. So
that looks amazing. Try?
Yeah, let's split it. I feel like I'm at the fair. I do. I feel like I'm right back there. You know, the rotisserie setting on our air fryer is a game changer. One of my favorite things to rotisserie is sausage.
No.
Look at this. I love sausage. Oh man, this is so good. Pull it right out of the...
Oh, that looks so incredible.
Now, when you rotisserie air fry sausage, it bastes in its own juices. So it makes the sausage...
they're just flying everywhere.
Oh man, wait till you try rotisserie air fried sausage.
Good. Not dry, not burnt.
Yeah.
Cooked to perfection.
Thank you.
Go ahead
Oh,
and
and
do
it's only juice, so it's gonna be better, right?
Okay. So,
Okay, way more than one thing, but you know what I love about air fried
what I'm going to do is let this sit.
Look how gorgeous they are.
And they don't look dried out. They look juicy and
Never
delicious.
dried out.
So, what I'm going to do is
is to take
let these sit out for a couple of days in the freezer. And then I hit back with y'all in
Such a great invention.
8 hours.
2 days. Alright, bye bye. See you guys later.
Alright, have you ever thought about dehydrating bacon?
Now I hit back with y'all in 2 days.
Take some maple syrup,